These are the elevators at the Palm Avenue parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. Dual lanterns, but neither one of them works going up. They're scenic. Here we are at 6. You can get a view. You can see the 1350 Main over there and the Art Ovation Hotel right there. Anyway, we're gonna go back down to ground. Actually, I was gonna say listen to the chimes, but I didn't react quickly enough. So the ThyssenKrupp Synergy is pretty fast for 6 floors. 3,500 pound capacity. We're gonna send this one up and get the other elevator. From the outside, this is what you see. That is what was covering the view. So it's a little see-through, but not so much from the outside. So actually, while we're here, take a look. You can see one coming down. And we're gonna get on it. All the door sensors work. Here's a look up the shaft. Actually, you can get a pretty good view. Let's go 6. The indicator is a little out of place. Here we are at 6. Let's go back down the ground. Notice how the 3 button has been replaced. There's your inspection certificate. So actually, something else that's cool about this elevator, this set of elevators, is that outside of each floor, there's a mural. So we're actually going to go and look at the murals on each floor. Here it is for floor 6. You can also get a look at a call station. So I'm going to give you another look at the view. Pretty nice, actually. It's a pretty nice day in Sarasota. So we're going to cut ahead to when we get to the other floors. Like I said, this might take a little while, so I'm just going to cut ahead. Here's the mural on 5. And actually, you know what? Since this is going to take a while, let's take a look at the stairs and walk down what you can call the man-powered elevator. Also, we're back up at 6. Something else I just realized. Each floor has a color, and 6 is the gray color you see on the wall right there. 5 is orange, as you can see here. 4 is pink. And also here's the mural for 4. Notice how there's a different intermediate call station right here. Here's the mural for 3. And also 3, I think, is just a light gray, off-white kind of color. And then 2 is a tan color. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing on the ground floor mural-wise, but there's the mural for 2. And that right there is a bridge to the our Ovation Hotel, which you can only get into if you have a key for the hotel. And we're back down at the ground floor, just to show you, there's really not much in terms of parking down here. There's the entrance, so most traffic's going to be going straight up to 2. Anyway, that'll be it.